misconception Filipinos have about critical illness protection? What does AIA want to change through critical protection?
Hi, Vivian. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you for the question. So there are various types of health insurance available in the market. I mentioned HMO multiple times. And quite similar to HMO is medical coverage, which several life insurance providers, including AIA, offer. This type of insurance is to be used for the actual treatment. So there are definitions on where and when you can use them. For some companies, it's a reimbursement basis. For some, you will be familiar with how HMOs work. You have a card, you get an authorization, and then you go and you avail of a certain healthcare service. AIA Critical Protect Plus, as a critical illness product, offers a lump sum benefit. So it gives the policyholder much more flexibility in terms of whatever type of expense related to that critical illness they want to cover. So as Gary mentioned, it's possible that if you suffer a critical illness, you may have to stop working for a long time. This can provide the replacement for the income that's lost. There are also many critical illnesses that are chronic diseases. So heart disease, for instance, diabetes, those are managed for life. So costs of medication, costs of long-term care, costs sometimes of, if it's stroke rehabilitation, therapy, those can all be covered by something like this. So I think, and I explain all the different types of insurance because the one misconception I think that we would like to attack head on is that one type of insurance, one type of health insurance, one type of health coverage is enough. Because again, the different types of policies, the different types of health insurance will cover different aspects of healthcare and will come in to support you financially at different points in your health journey. So some you use while you are in the hospital, some you use both while you're in the hospital and beyond. And given the rising costs, it's important that you prepare for every stage of that illness and recovery journey. And that's partly how we designed this product as well.